Assalamualaikum. If you want to do motion interpolation with your Android, then go to the Play Store and download this Smooth Action Cam app. I've already downloaded and installed it. It's still in beta, but you can use it. Okay, let's open the app. Then click on Open File. Choose the video you want to be interpolated. Okay, then click on Settings. Click on Motion Interpolation. Then go to Advanced option. Target FPS 60 and the resolution will be original. Click on Apply. Then Save Settings. Then reduce the speed by 97%. 96 will do. Okay, this one's a little tricky. Okay, done. Then click on Export and Share. This export process will take some time. You'll have to wait for the result. Currently, I'm making a 30 fps video to 60 fps. In order to be motion interpolated correctly, you'll have to make sure that your video is exactly at 30 fps and you have selected 97% or 96% of the speed. As this app is still in beta, there will be some errors, but you can work with it. Oh yeah, you will have to make sure that when this app is still running in the background, you can't use any other app because this app uses all the processor power and the RAM power of your phone. As this app interpolates every frame in real time, it takes a little bit of time. You can say that the app is really time consuming, but Android technology is not yet that advanced to interpolate motions that easily. Motion interpolation is still a thing for the PCs, I think, but Android will get there as the processors are improving. Okay, let's see in the future what do I say? We'll see in the future what happens next, right? Okay, the file has been exported. So now I am showing you the result of the video. I must mention that there are some problems with the audio of the exported video, but you can get 60 fps video if you can sacrifice the problem of the audio. Thank you all for watching. May we meet again in the next episode, inshallah. Peace out.